DIY F215 215mm FPV Racing Drone 5-inch 3-4 SRC Freestyle Quad with BLHeli-S 45A 4-in-1 ESC, Betaflight OSD, F4FC, Razer or Ratel 2 camera, multiple receiver options. Take your racing game to the next level with the DIY F215 5-inch FPV Racing Drone, a high-performance quad designed for freestyle flying, tight control, and customization flexibility. Whether you're a hobbyist building your first custom rig or a seasoned pilot looking for an aggressive, responsive drone, the F215 delivers raw power, precision, and versatility in one sleek frame. Built around a 215mm wheelbase and designed to support both 3S and 4S LiPo batteries, the F215 comes with an optional choice of Razer or Ratel 2 cameras, BLHeli-S 45A ESC, 2205 or 2306 motors, and OSD-ready Betaflight support. Everything a serious FPV pilot could want. Key features at a glance: 215mm wheelbase freestyle frame, built-in Betaflight OSD, compatible with FRSKY, FlySky, ELRS or no receiver, your choice. BLHeli-S 45A 4-in-1 ESC with D-shot and multi-shot support. 3-4S LiPo battery compatible, 7 to 10 minutes flight time depending on configuration, up to 400 meters range with compatible controller. Red or black propeller kit, RFPV or BFPV edition. Flight controller, F4V2 with Betaflight OSD. Processor, STM32F405 MCU for faster loop times. Receiver support, S-Bus, PPM, IBUs. Mounting, 30.5 x 30.5 mm. Built-in BEC for clean power to camera and VTX. Fully configurable via Betaflight, perfect for fine-tuning PID settings, OSD overlays, and tuning for racing or freestyle. ESC, BLHeli-S 45A 4-in-1. Voltage input, 2 to 6S LiPo. Firmware, BL16.7. Current handling, 45A continuous, 50A burst. Signal protocols, D-shot 150, 300/600, PWM, 1-shot 125 40 seconds, multi-shot. Mounting, 20 by 20 mm or 30.5 by 30.5 mm. Size, 44 x 44 x 5.5 mm. This ESC ensures crisp throttle response, smooth performance, and compatibility with most flight stacks. Motor options: 2205 2300 kV or 2306 2400 kV. Choose your motor style. 2205 motor, 29 grams, 3-4S support. Great for beginners or lightweight builds. 2306 motor, 32 grams, 750 W peak output, 3-4S support. Ideal for freestyle with more torque and responsiveness. Camera options: Razer or Ratel 2 FPV camera, Bullseye Razer camera, sensor, 1/3, CMOS. Resolution, 1200 TVL, 1.8 mm lens, wide FOV. Input voltage, 4.5 volts to 25 volts. Lightweight, 4.5 grams. Camera with flash CAD Ratel 2 camera. Sensor, 1/1.8, CMOS. Resolution, 1200 TVL, 2.1 mm lens. Input voltage, 5V40V. Enhanced dynamic range and low light performance. Weight, 5.9 grams. Both offer PAL, NTSC switchable video, auto white balance, and excellent clarity in fast motion flying. VTX, long range and configurable. Output power, 0 mW 25 mW 100 mW 200 mW 400 mW 600 mW, switchable. Frequency, 48 channels. Voltage input, 7 to 24 volts. Transmission distance, 0.5 km 25 mW, 1 km 200 mW, 2 km 600 mW. Mounting, 30.5 x 30.5 mm. Weight, 12 grams. This VTX supports clear analog video transmission even at long distances. Propellers, High Performance 5043 Tri-Blade. Model: 5043. Pitch: 4.3. Material: durable polycarbonate, PC. Center thickness: 7 mm. Inner diameter: 5 mm. Weight: 4.63 grams. Color options: black, BFPV, or red, RFPV. Designed for balanced thrust, precise cornering, and durability in crashes. Battery and flight time: supports 3S/4S LiPo batteries. Approximate flight time: 7 to 10 minutes depending on setup. Recommended: 1300 mAh to 1550 mAh LiPo for balance of flight time and weight. Receiver options: FRSKY version, FlySky version, ELRS version, for extreme range plus low latency. No receiver, DIY build ready. Choose the version that best suits your radio system or FPV rig. What you get: 1 DIY F215 FPV Racing Drone, pre-built or kit depending on option. 4 5043 propellers, red or black. 1 ESC 4-in-1 BLHeli-S 45A. 1 flight controller F4V2. 1 Razer or Ratel 2 FPV camera. 1 VTX 600mW switchable. 4 brushless motors, 2205 or 2306 based on option. Optional receiver: FRSKY, FlySky, ELRS, none. Perfect for FPV racing, freestyle tricks, DIY drone building, analog FPV simulators and skill development, learning Betaflight tuning and OSD setup.